In a certain college, 350 students were asked if they are taking biology, English, and mathematics subjects. So this is the diagram that shows the result of the survey. How many students are taking English? Okay, ang sabi niya, lumabas po yan, marami. Yes, pero for now, isa lang yung tanong na ating i-discuss. Pero lumabas yung mga ganitong type. So, yes, no, sana ay aralin at alamin. Okay, sige, answer. Wala pa? Okay, we have Sir Nataraki, we have Sir Carl, Ma'am Melgie, lumabas din to. Ano pa may lumabas? Ipalabas na natin sila. We have Ma'am Pauline. Okay? So, sana hindi lang kayo nandito sa free coaching Sana kanina no orientation napanood nyo rin. Don't worry kung hindi nyo masyado napanood. This will be posted on our page. Kung may mga tanong kayo, how to enroll and everything, you can message the page. Okay? We have Ma'am Lizelle, we have Ma'am Lovely, we have Sir Rogie. Okay, medyo marami pa rin iba-ibang letters ang lumalabas. Again, guys, please don't mind your other kasama. Okay? Kung ano yung alam nyong letter, yun yung sagot nyo. Hindi porket, uy, maraming letter C, no? Wag ganon, no? Kung anong sagot nyo, yun yung isagot nyo. Okay? And also, yun, try your best na magtingnan yung sagot kasi maapektuhan, no? Maapektuhan. Okay. Yes, lumabas yan. Baka next yung centavo coins, ma'am. Parang hindi yan kasama dito. So, malalaman nyo na lang siya next time. Ano pa yung mga lumabas, okay? So, may mga question marks. Gusto kaya, no? At least you're trying. Kahit hindi ganun ka-sure sa sagot, at least you're trying to answer. That's more like it. Kesa walang sagot, no? Yan. Yan, hi Sir RJ. Enseñado. Ito, idol ko to eh. Isa to sa idol ko talaga eh. Grabe. Sir GTR. Okay? Ayan, sige. Ayan. So, yes, no? So, if we are asking how many students are taking English, no? So, ang tanong is, so, ano rin to, no? Dapat, ano rin kayo sa grammar. Kasi, pag hindi nyo na iintindihan yung tinatanong sa math, no, may hirapan kayong sagutin kung anong tinatanong. Okay? So, let's answer it. The question is, how many are taking English, no? So, hindi naman English only. Okay? How many are taking English? Ilan ang nagtitake ng English? Kung titingnan natin tong diagram na to, ano bang sinasabi nitong diagram? Okay? So, meron tayong kumukuha ng biology, meron tayong kumukuha ng English, at merong math. Okay? Itong pinakagitna, itong 25, ibig sabihin, lahat, dahil nasa loob siya ng circle ng tatlo, lahat ng subjects na yon ay kinukuha nila. So, it means 25 are taking all 3 subjects, lahat ng subjects. Okay? Kapag naman, if you are asked, paano kapag yung mga nandito, teacher kat, ayan, yung intersection ng dalawang circles, so kunyari ito at ito, yan ay kumukuha ng biology at English. So, careful kayo dyan kasi ito ay 62 plus 25. Okay? Kasi ito yung intersection nilang dalawa. Diyan sila nag-meet. Okay? Hindi lang yung 62 ang sagot. Okay? Hindi lang 62. 62 at 25. Okay? Both biology and English. At dito rin, ganun din dito, 75 at 25, biology at math. At 25 plus 50, which is 75, ay English at mathematics. Okay. So, sana klaro yun Okay? Ngayon, ay ano tong isang buong to? Yan yung tanong ngayon. How many are taking English? Pag taking English, edi yung buong bilog ng English. Lahat ng ito ay kumukuha ng English. Keso, kumukuha din sila ng biology or kumukuha din sila ng math, you don't really care because they are taking English. Okay? So, anong gagawin? I-add lang po ng dahan-dahan lahat ng nasa circle ng English. So, we have 62, 25, 20, and 50. Let's add carefully. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 plus 5 is 157. So, the answer is letter E. Ayan. Marami naman ang nakasagot. Okay? Marami naman ang tumama. Okay, so good. Sa mga hindi tumama, that's okay, that's fine. Try again. So, try nyo, no? Ilan kaya sa tingin nyo ang kumuha ng math? Ilan ang kumuha ng biology? Ilan ang kumuha ng biology at English? Diba? Ilan ang kumuha ng mathematics lang talaga? Diba? May mga ganyan. How about kapag ang question is, how many students are taking English only? Kapag English only, pag may word na only, ibig sabihin English lang. Okay? Ito yung English, 'di ba? Ito yung English. Yan yung circle ng English. Pero itong 62 at itong 25, kumukuha yan ng biology at biology. Ito pang kasama mong 50, kumukuha pa yan ng math. Kung English only ang gusto mo, itong purong 20 lang. Okay? So 20 lang ang English talaga. Okay? English only, sorry. English only, ha? Only. Okay, so maraming questions na pwedeng mag-come up kapag Venn diagram. Usually, kapag tatlo, napakaraming questions na pwedeng mag-come up. So, make sure lang na medyo familiar. Don't worry again. We will be discussing these things. We will not go so fast. We will be discussing most of these things. Okay? Pero,